If your machinery runs like a dream, you've got rubber seals to thank. Let's uncover their secrets. Rubber, whether natural or synthetic, is the unsung hero in countless industries. It starts with the humble rubber tree, whose sap is processed into versatile materials. Synthetic rubber, created through chemical processes, offers even more tailored solutions. Now, what about rubber seals? These mighty little components come in various shapes and sizes, designed to prevent leaks and protect machinery. From automotive engines to construction equipment, rubber seals are everywhere. In the automotive industry, they ensure engines run smoothly by preventing oil leaks. In construction, they protect buildings from water damage. And in heavy machinery, they keep everything operating efficiently. The advantages? Rubber seals are known for their excellent sealing properties and durability. They withstand extreme temperatures and harsh chemicals, making them long-lasting and reliable. So next time you see a smoothly running machine, remember, rubber seals are the silent guardians. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more industrial insights.